Welcome to our channel. If you want to claim free streaming services included with bundled TV packages from cable or internet providers, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Contact your cable, satellite, or internet service provider to inquire about current TV packages that include free streaming service subscriptions. Step 2. Compare the available bundles to find one that includes the streaming services you want, such as Netflix, Disney+, HBO Max, Paramount Plus, or others. Step 3. Sign up for the bundled package either online, over the phone, or at a local store. Make sure to confirm that the free streaming services are included in your specific plan. Step 4. After your service is activated, check your email for instructions from your provider about how to access your complimentary streaming subscriptions. Step 5. Visit the activation page or link provided in the email. You'll typically need your account number or a unique activation code from your service provider. Step 6. Create an account with the streaming service if you don't already have one, or link your existing account to the provider benefit if applicable. Step 7. Enter the required information to verify your eligibility through your TV service provider. This may include your account number, ZIP code, or other identifying details. Step 8. Complete the activation process and start enjoying your free streaming content. Note that these subscriptions typically remain free as long as you maintain your bundled TV package. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.